Hey, lovely people, welcome back to Quinty's TV. If this is your first time here, you are warmly welcome. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. So, if you're seeing my video for the very first time, may I introduce myself to you? Well, I'm Quinty and I make videos on natural hair and food. So, today we have a hair related video where I show you how I applied sea moss gel on my hair. Guys, you really want to try this at home. Besides, I have a video to show you guys how I made this sea moss gel. You can check that out after watching this. Like, the curls are amazing. Like, literally, this could be my best self-made gel so far. I have flaxseed gel on my channel. You can also get the aqua gel. There is also this ambono leaves. You can get the gels, which you can also use to make a gel for your hair. Like, I love all these natural products because I am a natural stuff advocate. I totally love natural stuff, so I'm in for all these things. So guys, keep watching to see how these curls came about. One more thing, guys, if you're really going to try this at home, then you have to know that sea moss gel gets really hard. Like, what I mean, like, rock hard. Like, if you watch the video how I made this gel, you see actually from the natural state how it was before to the gel state, you see that it's actually hard. So when it also dries off, it's also really hard. So this gel will be good for wash and go, so not for you to leave for it to dry off, because when it dries off it becomes really hard. I don't know how it will look like if I do it for twists. For twist out, I might try that someday to show you guys how it look, because when this gel dries off, it's rock hard. So if you really want to use this, I will propose you use this for wash and go. So that's what I'm going to recommend you using Simos gel, because it's really hard. Hey guys, welcome back to Quinty's TV. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. So if you're seeing this face for the very first time, may I introduce myself to you? Well, I'm Quinty and I make videos on natural hair and food. So please guys, subscribe, hit the like button and also click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be the first to get notified. So today I'm going to be applying a sea moss gel on my hair. And then I already showed you guys how I made the sea moss gel. You can check that out on my channel. So now I'm just going to apply this on my hair. And guys, that's exactly how it looks like. Look at that. So have a close look. Look, that's it. That's it, yeah? That's it, yeah. Peace. Then have a look. That's sea moss gel. But there you go. So it's kind of like that. That. So. So. How sea moss gel, right? So guys, if you watch my videos, you know that I like to work in sections. So as you can see, I applied it while working in sections. Look at that. So I'm just going to go ahead and undo it. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Like, this is the first time I'm applying sea moss gel on my hair. And well, as a matter of fact, sea moss can be eaten, so there is nothing to be scared about this. Look at that. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. See? So guys, this is so good. Like, I totally love the outcome of this. Oh my goodness. So if you've not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share as well, please. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to get notified. Like, just look at this. This is amazing. I totally love the outcome. Oh my goodness, this is so good. So good, guys. If I'm not in love with this girl, then what then can I be? Thank you so much for stopping by, and see you in my next video. Bye. Wow, look at this. Just look at this. So juicy. You all saw how my hair was at the beginning, and then now, just look at it.